Ashley of Ashley Gilbreath Interior Design, and today I'm going to share with you guys some tips and inspiration for organizing your home office using accessories from Ballard Designs. Today we are at a client's home and we are in her home office space. We are juggling in this space the thought of real life work plus family lifestyle plus toys plus papers plus homework and just real life. So we're trying to hide a bunch of stuff and make it function at the same time. So a few of my favorite things in this space are, love this charging task lamp from Ballard. It has a little charging spot, so when you can't find your charger, like me, you can just lay it right down, and then every kid can also come use it too. So this is a fun one. Turning the corner back here, we do skirted consoles in our little design company often because they're creative, but they also can hide anything you want. So back here, clearly there's the printer. All of the filing boxes are back here, so you can still be messy behind the scenes if you need to be, but there's a good box to kind of stick it in. And then other side too, Ballard has tons of great baskets. Y'all, I'm such a fan of baskets. Whether it's toys or whatever it is, you can hide it and shove it away. So printer paper is back here, more filing boxes. So at my house, if you were to open the top of one of these, you might disown me as a friend. But in here, she's nice and neat and organized, and she's got all the things tucked away, hidden right behind this pretty big guy. Few other fun little office kind of tips that we do every now and then. These guys are fabulous. Can't go wrong with a great, I call him like a full-bellied, he looks like he's had a good supper, a little lamp over here from Susie and Castler. These are great, they can go anywhere. I love being able to prop artwork, just propped, the mirror is propped and the art is propped. That way, you know, if it's kids' homework or kids' art, you can kind of just pop that up there so they feel very special, or you can even slide it back behind here when company comes over. One more fun thing about this home office is that, you know, while all of the work things live kind of over behind the skirted console, behind these doors gets to be the household stuff. So I love these kind of organization baskets with the tops on them, where whether it's household bills or you know, children's stationery, which is where it lives at my house, everything has its own home. It has its own spot to live, just right behind the doors. One more thing I think is super important to incorporate into a home office is a really good seating arrangement. It's super important to have that extra chair where mom can be working but also helping with homework, or it's, you know, curling up and reading a book with a toddler, or if you just get to have a legit timeout, you as a mom get to have a spot to sit down and grab a good magazine or grab a good glass of water or a glass of wine every now and then, and just let life happen. Thanks for watching. You can see Ballard Designs' collection of organizational accessories at ballarddesigns.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this one on Ballard Designs' YouTube channel.